Hare Krishna. Welcome. Please join this sloka. 12th chapter, 14th sloka.
सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितः मनोबुद्धिर्यो मद्भक्तः मे प्रियः.
The specialities of this chapter is Krishna is pouring out explanations about devotion, devotees, how they should behave. So let us see and enjoy together. In this sloka, Krishna says, one who is satisfied and always engaged in devotional service with determination and whose mind and intelligence are in agreement with me, then he is very dear to me. This is very clear, self-explanatory, but one point to be highlighted is none of these fragments of these qualities of a devotee to be qualified to be dear to him are difficult at all. He says, oh, you must be satisfied. That we have seen, Yadrucha Labha Santushto, 4th chapter, 22nd sloka. We must be satisfied and always engaged in devotional service. That's also we have seen earlier, and it is not beyond us, it is possible. Because Krishna gives a choice. One may be only doing mala. Mala means flower garlands. He is good in that choice of flowers, the combination and the length. He may be a specialist in that, and what is the choice is so good, everybody falls for that type of mala, and he is specialist, he can do only that. That is devotional service. Like that, somebody is writing, somebody is speaking, somebody is conducting big seminars, all for Krishna. Then all that is devotional service only. So, it's up to you to have your imagination work for you. Krishna just leaves saying that you do devotional service continuously and with determination. If you start on something, come what may, whatever be the problems, you must go ahead and do that. And mind and intelligence are in agreement with me, he says. Without that, we don't progress 1 inch. So, we are in agreement with Krishna. Krishna, whatever he says is correct, we assume, and then we take his directions at every step. That way it can become. So, there is a help in this also. There is one book, Autobiography of Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin says you can develop 14 qualities only you take what you lack. And each quality you practice for 4 weeks. 13 qualities. 4 weeks continuously. One quality only. And that week I will not talk about anything else. For example, if your punctuality is what you lack and you want to do that, follow the punctuality for 4 weeks. At that time, you should not talk about listening. Next week, next 4 weeks, you take it as active listening. So like that, in 1 year, 13 qualities, 4 weeks each will be mastered by you. Then next year, you take another 13. This way, you will qualify yourself. That is the method you can adapt for Krishna. Now, when you are on the subject of being satisfied, there is a mother, the MD, who is free with everybody, small children, big people. He talks to Sinu. Sinu, he says, Sinu, I am satisfied with you. I am happy to give you 10 rupees. So, I enjoy giving you. Then that Sinu, nowadays people are very smart boys. As per that, he says, thank you, mother, uncle. But why don't you give me 100 rupees? And why simply satisfaction? You can thoroughly enjoy yourself by giving me 100 rupees. Hare Krishna.